Hello, beautiful friends. It's Jennifer Woolsey. Welcome to Wake Up and Makeup. We are going to do a fun Face Shop makeup tutorial today. If you're not familiar with Face Shop, I'm going to explain it to you a little bit more and talk a little bit about K-Beauty. Do you know what K-Beauty is? If so, leave me a comment. Let me know what your thoughts are on K-Beauty. So let's hop in. I've already gone in and done my morning skincare regimen. I am using my Isinox Anew, Isinox Anew Ultimate Skincare line, which Isinox has a little bit of K-Beauty in it. So let's chat about that. I've already done my VDL primer and we are ready to go. So let's do this. We're gonna do our Ink Lasting Face Shop Cushion Foundation this morning in shade N20. It's a mess. It's messy. I need to clean it up, but it has this great cushion technology and you have this ruby cell puff that's so fun that you can use to just stamp it on and then blend it in. I love a product that comes with the pad to do all the work, so I don't have to do it. Something I love about this Face Shop foundation is it really does give great coverage with so little product. So it goes on really light and blends really well. So what is K-Beauty? Well, researchers have known for a long time that Korean beauty is very much on the forefront of natural beauty and skincare, and they have technology because they're using herbs and medicinal things that God gave us on earth to create their skincare and their makeup line. And Face Shop is a division of K-Beauty. I love that Avon has this partnership. It's so fun and it's such an awesome benefit to us. So I have been a big fan since it launched. I've been using it off and on and just keep coming back to it because it does have such great qualities in it. And so I don't know, we're going to do Cashmere Complexion Concealer because I don't have a Face Shop concealer. I'm not sure that a lot of people realize that with Korean beauty, it's very on trend in the makeup skincare industry. But with K-Beauty, you have a lot more natural products. So I know like in our Belief line, which is also K-Beauty, it has Lady's Mantle is one of the main ingredients. That's actually a plant. And so a long time ago, I was having a conversation with a lady that I really respect in the makeup skincare industry. And she told me, she said, when people realize that God gave us the things on earth that we need to treat our bodies and our skin, we will be such a healthier population. I was like, oh, that's interesting. Face Shop Brow Pomade. You guys see me use this on a regular basis. You know that I love it. And it comes with this cute little brush. And so we recently launched our essential oils, which I was I've not ever really been like an essential oil person. It's not really been my jam. But as I got to researching and reading a little bit more on it and just learning how things like peppermint can help settle an upset stomach, or lavender can help your body to rest at night. And you see this in like products for babies. I have to draw this out. I can't talk while I do it. You see this in products for babies. I don't know if any of you have seen like the Johnson's & Johnson's and even the Aveeno lavender soak for babies. That is to help them rest better and sleep better. And so again, other products and other companies have learned to start using different things that God gave us to help cure our body. And so in the essential oils, like I said, with peppermint, you know, it helps with like a queasy tummy. I think it's lemon or citrus that helps like energize your body and give you more energy. Always looking for more energy. As a mom, I'm always tired. So more energy is a huge win for me. But So K-Beauty has really capitalized on those natural ingredients. In fact, like in the 80s, and this boggled my mind when I learned this, in the 80s, a lot of makeup companies, like mainstream makeup companies, CoverGirl, Estee Lauder, all of the companies, they were using things like formaldehyde to preserve their skincare products and make them last longer on the shelf. And I was like, oh, you were putting that on your skin. Did you realize that? It's crazy, right? So with the onset of more clean beauty, I didn't re-dip. I'm just kind of brushing this out. But with the onset of K-Beauty and using those more natural ingredients, you're seeing your skin not nearly have as many breakouts, and you are seeing your skin not tend to age quite as quickly. I don't know about you guys, but I'm all about less aging, less wrinkles, less fine lines, all of the less. Give me less. So, you know, if you have not dug into that world yet, highly recommend it. And a lot of our lines like Belief Skincare, Isinox, Dr. Belmer's, which is one of my top selling skincare lines. A ton of my customers love Dr. Belmer's. So many natural healing ingredients in it, and it is amazing. Like in the Dr. Belmer's, I think it's the repair cream. So I'm going to do Face Shop Mono Pop eyeshadow palette. I haven't pulled these out in a while. But the Dr. Belmer's recovery cream, Kaden, my oldest, was having some skin breakdown issues. And so I just started applying it 2 times a day, in the morning and in the evening, to his area where he's having skin breakdown. And oh my gosh, within like 3 days, we were seeing amazing results in his skin redness, in his skin breakdown. And then, I don't know how long you guys have followed me, but you know I'm a huge Dr. Belmer Zika emulsion user. And so that again has K-Beauty, and it has some different natural ingredients in it that helps preserve my skin and heal my skin. So one of the things that researchers found was that that lions and tigers after battle would go and roll themselves around in tiger's grass, Zika grass, to heal themselves. I just went in with one and covered the lid of my eye. I should have told you guys what I'm doing here. And so what the researchers did is they took, we're going to use this one and this one. They took that technology and they put the Zika into Dr. Belmer's skincare line. And people have seen amazing results of healing from acne scars to just extreme redness in their skin. So many things that their bodies were not healing from. I'm just blending that color back and forth until I'm getting the optimal eye look. This eyeshadow for sure is such great staying power. It stays with me all day long. And so as I've been talking with my customers and finding out more about skin allergies that they have, or like skin sensitivities, I've been moving them to these K-Beauty products, and they're seeing amazing results. And one of my customers, bless her heart, she said that was the first time she's been able to use skincare in over 30 years because we got her on the Belief and the Dr. Belmer line, and her skin is not breaking out and she's not itching. Excuse me, I felt it coming. Okay, we're going to go in with this darker part here and kind of do a little wing out on the edge. But to be able to help customers find relief is so amazing. And can you imagine that? Not being able to wear any kind of skincare or makeup for so long, it just breaks my heart. And so that has been a huge revelation for me with bringing in these Face Shop and K-Beauty products. So I'm really interested to hear in the comments what you guys think about K-Beauty. What do you think about it? Let me know in the comments. Okay, we're gonna do our Avon Glimmer Stick. So how did Avon start carrying K-Beauty? Where did that come from? Well, Avon has a new investor. We're about a year in with our new investor of LG H&H. Yes, LG, that makes the TVs, and the refrigerators also have a whole health and beauty division. And they invested in Avon and brought us some of these amazing new products. Of course, LG is out of South Korea, so no part of China. It's a question I get asked often. However, a lot of our beauty products are still made here in the US, like the Glimmer Stick that I'm using. But I am all for collaboration and advancements in technology, and being able to collaborate with good, clean products that are healthy for our skin and help us to live healthier, better lives, right? Okay, we're gonna curl those lashes. So I'm gonna show you a mascara I haven't used in a while. If you've been watching my lives with me for a while, I'm gonna use our Mega Volume. This is the Mega Proof Waterproof Avon Face Shop Mascara. It is a great mascara. I will tell you, if you want a waterproof mascara that is not gonna budge, this is the one for you. In fact, I highly recommend that if you pick it up, you also pick up the Face Shop Lip and Eye Makeup Remover, because you're going to need it to get it off. Like, it is staying in place. Check out the bristles. So big, so pretty. And I'm going to start at the base of my eye and work it up. So it gives a great pigmentation of color. It is definitely a very true black mascara. I think it also comes in brown. I just am always a black mascara girl. That's just what I pretend. That's what I choose to wear. I love that this brush is wide, so it helps separate out my lashes, and it helps give it that extra volume. So if you are having skin sensitivities to different makeup, if you're like, Jennifer, I love makeup, I just can't find the ones that work for me, Face Shop is a total option for you, because it's got so many more of those natural ingredients that will not break you out, and that will give your skin the love and care that it needs. It's hard to talk and do mascara at the same time. That's okay. We're rocking it. Just going back one more coat, starting at that base and pulling it up. Such beautiful, beautiful stuff. I'm going to take my little comb, my lash comb, if you didn't know what this was for, and separate that out a little bit. Yes! Okay, let's talk a little bit more about the blush. This is our Moisture Cushion Face Shop Blush. So one of the other things that they learned is this cushion technology is so good to help preserve the product and make it last a lot longer. So I'm all about not having to replace makeup as often and being able to make it last a lot longer. So we are gonna use shade Coral today. This is one of my favorite colors. I have this little puff, and I'm just going to do a dip and a pat. A dip and a pat. A dip and a pat. I know I'm not the best singer. That's okay. You love me anyway, right? It goes on almost like watercolor when you're using this technology. It is so beautiful. I also have the Face Shop Moisture Cushion Highlighter. We're going to add just a little highlight on these cheeks. Give it a little kiss of highlight. Wow. Because it's always nice to have a little extra glimmer in your day, right? Okay, just highlighting a few of those areas. I think it is all working together. Yes. We're going to do our two-tone and beige effect. This, again, is an Avon Face Shop product, and it has the liner on one end and the color on the other. I tend to bear down harder on the liner part. I love a subtle lip. With a dynamic eye. So this is kind of like a lip crayon. The texture of it's really nourishing going on. I mean, the lips feel amazing. Amazing with it on. So I'm all about amazing. Okay, let's finish off with our Belif VDL setting spray. Again, another little bit of K-Beauty greatness for us, because those Belif products are made with the Lady's Mantle and the herbs and ingredients that help to preserve your skin. So I guess if I'm teaching anything on this tutorial, it would be to know what is in your products. Know what technology is in your products. Know what ingredients are in your products. Make sure that you're not using any kind of skincare products that have formaldehyde in it, or makeup products that have formaldehyde in it. Not a good idea. So this is our Face Shop makeup tutorial. Let me close the eyes, let you look at the eyes. Girl, yes, I'll recap these products for you really quick. I did my Belif VDL satin primer. I did my Ink Lasting Cushion Foundation shade N20. I did my Cashmere Complexion Concealer shade Matcha, and my Magic's Dust Setting Powder, my Face Shop Pomade shade Brown, and my Face Shop Mono Pop eyeshadow palette in Mood Browns. Love this palette. And what else did we do? Oh, we did Cushion Blush in shade Coral, and we did our Cushion Highlighter. And don't forget that amazing glimmer stick, Avon Blackest Black Glimmer Stick, and our Face Shop Mascara Waterproof. And finally, our two-tone beige effect lipstick. So I'm going to wear this through the day. I will definitely do a check-in for you guys, let you know what I'm thinking and how it's working out. But I think it turned out pretty good. So thanks for joining me today. I hope that I taught you something, and I hope that if you are needing recommendations on skincare or makeup products and you're wanting to know more about K-Beauty, that you will leave me a comment, message me directly, or you can visit my website on youravon.com/jwoolsey. Please like and share this video, and make sure and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Bye guys.